How to use One4all on Asos. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To use your One4all gift card in Asos, all you have to do is convert your Asos gift card into One4all. Visit the website of One4all and navigate to the section of Convert of your card. You would most likely be using the One4all gift card that you can easily purchase using your Asos balance. You need to enter the amount of money that the card holds, then enter the quantity of the card. Now, once you have done that, you can just tap on Add to Cart option. Once you tap on it, now you can just go ahead and purchase out of it. You can tap on Proceed to Checkout. Now all you have to do is enter your email address and enter your shipping address. Once you are done from here, you will get yourself your hands on your One4all gift card that you can use to purchase your Asos gift card. If you face any of the trouble regarding it, you can check out the help and support or information portal of Asos gift card. And that wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.